As you can see, right next to me here, we got an 82 Chevy Caprice. This car is actually going to be part of a feature build that we're going to do. We're going to take this car from a road car and we're going to slap ourselves together a derby car. So, first part of this series, we're pretty much just going to be doing a lot of stripping. So, we'll show you how that's all done and different parts you need to do it.
Taking out the back window, we're going to try to cut it, take this piece out, so we get piano wire and cut the rest. And it worked!
So I want to pick this car up. The kid didn't have a key to the trunk. So we popped the lock there and opened it up, and we got some good treasures in here. Here we got 4 brand new in the box track lights. There's more than just that. We also got this Craftsman jack here. So that's all complete in there. And then it looks like we might have some work to do to this car. I got a pile of ball joints, pitman arm, stuff like that. So I guess we'll be checking that out later and seeing if we need to replace those or if they've been replaced. the beauty of this. It, just being a derby car, you get pissed off, you can bring them out to big boys and just start cutting. Well, as you can see, we got her all kind of stripped down. Still got a little bit in the engine bay to do, but we'll get to that when we get to it. We got a lot of stuff in there that's got to go on anyway. But other than that, main part of it's all stripped out. We're ready to start doing some fabricating, wiring up. Got a lot of parts coming in this week for this thing. Be definitely changing out these wheels and tires. Actually be getting a little bit of height out of this thing too. We'll get some good videos on that and how we do that. And we got a little bit of the trunk to clear out. Don't know what to do with all these lights. I don't know if anybody wants these. I guess if you're in Great Falls, send me a message. I'll make a great deal on them. And that'll pretty much wrap up this video, guys. So until next time.